So we've been receiving a lot of pumps lately and over the past few years back through returns that are returned as defective. When investigating these pumps, we find them oftentimes packed full of grease or another substance. I believe this is what people are attempting to do to prime the pump. We'll start here with this M55. As you can see, the gears are covered in white grease. The inlet's completely packed into the pump with grease, not allowing oil to actually enter the pump. From there, we'll go on to this M295. That looks to be chassis grease that someone's packed the inlet with. From there, we'll go on to this M111. Same deal. The inlet's completely packed full of grease. The gear set's packed. The 10340 here, this is probably our biggest offender out of this pile. As you can see there, the outlet of the pump's got grease in it. The inlet's completely packed along with the rotor set. I mean, we look at a white lithium grease or a chassis grease, you know, we're looking at 350, 400 degrees before those melt. So we have to get this pump up to 350, 400 degrees before it'll ever melt this grease and be able to actually move oil. That's not gonna happen. You're gonna melt this pump before that ever happens. If you did happen to push this grease out of this pump into the engine, you know, most engines, the first thing we're gonna feed is the valve train. So you're gonna try to put that through a hydraulic lifter. It's not going to work. It's going to plug up the lifter. You're going to have valve train noise. It's not a good idea, guys. When you're installing an oil pump, nothing more needs to be done than to take your new pump, some clean engine oil, dump a few tablespoons in, rotate the gear set, and install the pump on the engine. When it comes time to prime your engine, we offer multiple options to prime your engine. One being the drill-driven oil priming tool, such as this is for a big and small block Chevy. Just goes down in and engages the pump and drives with a drill. Probably the most common option that we offer that works on virtually all engines is the pressure tank. So this tank, you put 4 or 5 quarts of oil in it, pressurize it with your air hose, hook it onto the engine into an oil galley, and just turn it on and run 4 or 5 quarts into your engine, and that primes it. This is the right way to prime your engine. This is not the right way to prime your engine. I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for watching.